students, welcome back to my lectures of class 10th physics. We have completed our first chapter, that is light, reflection and reflection. Now here we will solve some numericals based on the chapter. So we will consider here the first topic, that is the mirror formula and magnification. So the first question, let us solve that the image of a candle flame placed at a distance of 30 centimeter from a mirror is formed on the screen placed in front of the mirror at the distance of 60 centimeter from its pole. What is the nature of mirror? Find its focal length and height of the image if height of object is 2.4 centimeter. Okay, इन क्वेश्चंस के अंदर क्या होता है, सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू राइट द गिवन वैल्यूज एंड द गिवन क्वांटिटीज, तभी आप यहाँ पर पता कर पाओगे कि आपको यहाँ पर सॉल्यूशन का अप्रोच क्या रखना है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट द गिवन वैल्यूज. सो व्हाट इज गिवन? द इमेज ऑफ अ कैंडल फ्लेम प्लेस्ड एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 30 सेंटीमीटर. मतलब जो कैंडल फ्लेम है उसकी डिस्टेंस कितनी है, 30 सेंटीमीटर. मतलब यहाँ पर ये क्या है, दिस इज द ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस, u is equals to 30 centimeter. Okay, now 30 centimeter, that is the object distance. Now the object is placed in front of the mirror. The object distance in any case will be always negative. तो यहाँ पर ये तो हो गया. From a mirror is formed on the screen placed in front of the mirror. Remember this thing, screen placed in front of the mirror. जो screen है वो कहाँ पर रखी है, मिरर के सामने. तो मिरर के सामने अगर स्क्रीन रखी हुई है, in that case we should understand that the image formed is real and inverted, because only a real image can be formed on the screen. तो यहाँ पर वो मिरर कौन सा हो जाएगा जहाँ पर हमारे पास रियल इमेज बनती है, that mirror will be concave. ओके, एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 60 सेंटीमीटर. तो जहां पर स्क्रीन रखी हुई है वहीं पर क्या बनेगी, इमेज बनेगी. तो यहाँ पर ये इमेज क्या है, दिस इज एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 60 सेंटीमीटर. तो यहाँ पर v कितना हो गया, 60 सेंटीमीटर. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो फॉर्मिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर, इसीलिए यहाँ पर v भी कितना हो गया, नेगेटिव. ओके, फ्रॉम इट्स पोल व्हाट इज द नेचर ऑफ द मिरर? व्हाट इज द नेचर ऑफ द मिरर? मिरर हमारे पास क्या आ गया, कॉनकेव. इफ द मिरर इज कॉनकेव, व्हाट इज द नेचर ऑफ द कॉनकेव मिरर? The nature of the concave mirror is converging. So here we got the first answer, that is what is the nature of the mirror? The nature of the mirror is converging. If it is asked about the mirror, that which type of mirror it is, then you should have written concave mirror, but they are asking about the nature, so the nature is converging. Okay, the next is we have to find its focal length. We have to find its focal length and the height of the image. Height of the image, that is h2, both we have to find, and what is given is the height of object is 2.4. Height of object, that is represented by h1, that is 2.4 centimeters. Okay, so here we have to find f and we have to find h2. Okay, so let us start here by applying the mirror formula, because we have u and v and we have to find f. So simply we can use mirror formula. So using mirror formula, we have 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equals to 1 upon f. So what is v is minus 60. So 1 by minus 60 minus 30. So plus 1 by u is equals to minus 30 minus 30 is equals to 1 by f. Now here I can write it to be as minus 1 by 60 minus 1 by 30 is equals to 1 by f. We will take LCM here. So the LCM, that will be equals to 60. It will be minus 1 minus 2 is equals to 1 by f. मतलब यहाँ पर 1 by f कितना हो जाएगा, minus 3 by 60. और I can write f is equals to minus 60 by 3 और f is equals to minus 20 centimeter. This is simply we have to take LCM here and we have to find the answer. One of the most common mistake that you do while solving these numericals is you write 1 by f directly equals to minus 3 by 60. तो आप यहाँ पर आंसर लिख देते हो f is equals to minus 3 by 60. But here this f is in denominator, इसलिए यहाँ पर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके आपको f की वैल्यू निकालनी पड़ेगी, minus 60 by 3 that is equals to minus 30 centimeter. तो यहाँ पर f की वैल्यू अपने पास आ गई. Now we have to find the value of h2. Now we have the magnification formula. We have this m is equals to h2 by h1 is equals to minus v by u. यहाँ पर मैग्निफिकेशन हमको नहीं चाहिए तो हम यहाँ पर h2 by h1 और v by u यूज कर सकते हैं. Now h2 that we have to find, so I can write h2 as it is divided by h1 that is given, that is 2.4 is equals to minus of v. What is the value of v? The value of v is minus 60, minus of minus 60. माइनस यहाँ पर पहले से ही है -60 क्यों? बिकॉज v इज इक्वल टू -60 एंड u इज इक्वल टू -30, so it will be -30. Okay, now here this minus minus gets cancelled, we have again one minus, and here 0 cancels, it will be 3 to the 6, so h2 is equals to -2 into 2.4, so it will be -4.8 centimeter, that is h2. मतलब यहाँ पर हाइट ऑफ इमेज क्या रही है? नेगेटिव, -4.8. So what is the meaning of negative height? The meaning of negative height is that is the image is forming below the principal axis. और अगर below the principal axis इसका मतलब क्या है? That is inverted image. And you can say a real image is always inverted, जो हमने यहाँ पर देखा था कि मिरर क्या था? कॉनकेव. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पर जो इमेज बन रही थी कहाँ बन रही थी? That was forming in front of the mirror. और अगर मिरर के सामने है तो वो रियल है, और रियल है तो क्या है? इन्वर्टेड. एंड फ्रॉम हियर we have proved it. So in this way you can solve the numeric. Now let us take one more question here, that is find the size, nature and position of the image. मतलब हमें यहाँ पर size भी निकालनी है, nature and position. We have to find three things of the image formed when an object of size 1 centimeter is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter from a concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeter. तो यहाँ पर first of all we will write the given data. Find the size, nature and position of the image formed when an object of size 1 centimeter. Object size, that is same as the height of the object, that is represented by h1, that is equals to 1 centimeter. And object is always placed above the principal axis, इसलिए क्या हो गया? This positive. At a distance of 15 centimeter, object कहाँ पर रखा हुआ है? 15 centimeter distance पर, मतलब this is u, and u is equals to -15 centimeter. U will be always negative. Okay. From a concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeter. Mirror कौन सा है? वो भी यहाँ पर लिख लो, that is concave mirror, and focal length 10 centimeter, f equals to 10 centimeter. Now this s will be equals to positive or negative. Now here this will depend upon the type of mirror that we have. So here we have concave mirror, and for concave mirror this f is equals to negative, because here this principal focus, that is on the same side of the reflecting surface. That's why this f is equals to -10 centimeter. Now we have to find, you can also write whatever you want to find. You have to find the size, nature and position. You can say these three are the characteristics of the image formed, which we have written after each and every ray diagram. Okay, now first of all, the first thing is we have u and f. So by u and f we can find v with the help of mirror formula. So using mirror formula, now what this mirror formula is? 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equals to 1 by f. Now we'll put the values 1 by v, 1 by v, v we have to find, plus 1 by u, u is equals to -15 is equals to 1 by f, that is 1 by -10. We have to find v, so 1 by v is equals to -1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. Okay, so here we will take LCM, that is equals to 30, it is -3 plus 2, so I can write this 1 by v is equals to -1 by 30, or v is equals to -30 centimeter. मतलब इमेज कहाँ बन रही है? It is forming on the same side. How you can say that? Because of the negative sign. Negative sign तक कब लगता है? जब वो उसके रिफ्लेक्टिव सरफेस के सामने बन रही है. Okay, so v is equals to negative. मतलब यहाँ पर position of the image हमने calculate कर ली. Now what about the nature? Here you can see this v is negative. It is forming on the same side. मतलब same side पे कौन सी image बनती है? It will be, it is real and inverted. So based on the answer which you are getting for the position of the image, you can write the nature. So nature also done. Now what about the size? This size we can calculate from the formula for magnification. We have this m is equals to h2 by h1 is equals to -v by u. Okay, here we will put the value of h2, h1, v and u. So what is the h2? H2 we have to find. H1, that is equals to 1 centimeter, is equals to minus of value of v. V is equals to -30 divided by u. U is equals to -15. Minus gets cancelled. 15 to the 30. So h2 is equals to -2 centimeter. Okay, this is negative. Negative means it is forming below the principal axis. तो ये जो nature है वो आप इससे भी पता लगा सकते हो. Because if it is forming below the principal axis, then that is inverted, and an inverted image is always a real image. So in this way you can solve this image. Let us take one more question, and this question is based on the convex mirror. A convex mirror used for rear view on an automobile has a radius of curvature 4 meter. मतलब यहाँ पर given value क्या है? We will write it along with the question. So value of radius of curvature, that is equals to 4 meter. If a bus is located at 8 meter from this mirror, find the position, nature and size of the image. Where the bus is located at a distance of 8 meter, मतलब object कितना है? -8 meter. This is negative. Why it is negative? Because the object distance is always considered to be negative. And what about this radius of curvature? This radius of curvature will be positive. Now this radius of curvature, how it is positive? We have this spherical plus, यहाँ से हमने एक part ले लिया, and then we have painted from this side. So the radius of curvature will be here. Light ray is coming from this side, and we are measuring from the pole towards this side. So this radius of curvature will be positive. Okay, we have object distance, we have radius of curvature, and we have to find what we have to find. We have to find all the three things, that is the characteristics of the image, that is position, nature and size of the image. Now we have this r is equals to 4 meter. Do we have any relation between f and r? Yes, we have. That is f is equals to r by 2. What is the value of r? That is 4 meter. So 4 by 2, that is equals to 2 meter. मतलब focal length कितना हो गया? 2 meter. Now if we have f and u, we can use mirror formula. So using mirror formula, we have 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equals to 1 upon f. So here we have to find v. So 1 by v plus 1 by u is equals to -8. Minus 1 by 8 is equals to f. So f is equals to 1 by 2. Okay, so I can write 1 by v is equals to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 8. So here we can take LCM, is equals to 8. So 4 plus 1. So 1 by v is equals to 5 by 8. So v is equals to 8 by 5 meter. We can also write this v is equals to 1.6 meter. Now this v, we are getting it to be positive. So it means it is forming behind the mirror. You can see the light rays are coming from this side. तो यहाँ पर जो भी होगा सब पॉजिटिव, इधर सब होगा नेगेटिव. अगर यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव आया, इसका मतलब यहाँ पर इसका नेचर क्या है? When it is forming behind the mirror, then its nature will be virtual and erect. Okay, so we got the nature and we also got the position. Now what about the size? We can use the formula for magnification. M is equals to h2 by h1 is equals to minus v by u. This formula is same for the concave or convex mirror. Okay, so here h2, we don't have any value of h2. h1 either we don't have. So we can find it directly in terms of magnification. M is equals to minus v by u. Okay, so this m is equals to minus v. V is equals to 8 by 5. So I can write minus of 8 by 5 divided by u. U is equals to minus 8. Minus 8. So m is equals to minus minus gets cancelled. So it will be 8. 8 also gets cancelled. 1 by 5 meter. Or you can also write m is equals to 0.2 meter. M is equals to क्या है? Positive. तो मैग्निफिकेशन जब भी पॉजिटिव होगा हमें क्या देखना पड़ेगा? वी हैव टू सी द हाइट ऑफ द इमेज एंड द ऑब्जेक्ट. तो यहाँ पर क्या है? दोनों पॉजिटिव है, मीन्स बोथ आर अबाउट द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. और अबाउट द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस इसका मतलब क्या है? द इमेज विल बी वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट. अब यहाँ पर हमारे पास जो आंसर है वो क्या है? मैग्निफिकेशन के टर्म में m इज इक्वल टू 0.2 मीटर. और यहाँ पर लेस देन 1 है, ये इसका मतलब जो इमेज है वो छोटी बन रही है. तो यहाँ पर साइज, नाउ साइज वी कैन से दैट द इमेज साइज विल बी रिड्यूस्ड बाय अ फैक्टर ऑफ 0.2 मीटर. मतलब यहाँ पर जितनी भी साइज ऑब्जेक्ट की होगी उसका 0.2 टाइम्स विल गेट द साइज ऑफ द इमेज. तो जरूर नहीं कि हर बार आपको यहाँ पर h2 की वैल्यू गिवन हो. यू कैन इवन फाइंड इट इन टर्म्स ऑफ magnification. So here in this case the size of the image will be reduced by a factor of 0.2 meter. That is what from magnification we can write. So in this way we can solve the question based on the mirror formula and the magnification.